Yoga of Renunciation of Action in Knowledge, Chapter 4, Shloka number 33 and 34. Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Superior is knowledge sacrifice to sacrifice with objects. O Pranatapa, all actions in their entirety, O Partha, culminate in knowledge.
Chapter 4, Shloka 33. Shreyan dravyamyat yajnat jnana parantapa sarvam karma kilam partha jnane parisamapyate.
Know that by long prostration, by question and service, the wise who have realized the truth will instruct you in that knowledge.
Chapter 4, Shloka 34. Tadvidhi pranipadena pariprashnena sevaya upadeshyanti te jnanam jnaninastatvadarshinaha.
Chapter 4, Shloka number 33 and 34. Why knowledge sacrifice is superior to sacrifice with objects is explained in this shloka. Lord declares that for cultural self-development, knowledge sacrifice is nobler and diviner than rituals with material objects. Knowledge removes ignorance while action is born of ignorance. Even actions of sacrifice shall produce results to enjoy which ego has to be born again and again. Karma never ends karma, nor can they give complete fulfillment. On the other hand, knowledge ends all karmas. The deluded ego destroys itself in the light of right knowledge. With its destruction, the chain of ignorance, desire, action is dissolved. Since ignorance is the primary source of all activities and it ends with right knowledge, knowledge sacrifice is superior to sacrifice with objects. Shloka number 34. How and from whom can knowledge be got is explained in this shloka. Since for knowledge to take place, both the teacher and the student are required, Lord tells us the qualities of the teacher and mental attitude and the intellectual approach with which the student must adopt for the knowledge to take place. The student must have the intellectual attitude of surrender and an eagerness to understand and follow. Knowledge, like water, can flow from the higher to the lower level. So, by prostration, we should understand it to mean a spirit of prostration which defines the mental and intellectual attitude of the student. The student should ask questions. This not only opens the tank of knowledge in the teacher, but also helps the teacher to understand the false line of thinking of the student, to remove his doubt. Through this process, the perfection in the teacher is transferred to the student intellect. Vedanta doesn't believe in blind faith and hence encourages discussion between the teacher and the taught. The student should attune himself to the principles taught by the teacher and live life accordingly. This is true service to the teacher. The teacher should have perfect knowledge of the scriptures along with a subjective experience of the infinite reality. More in the next shloka, in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.